Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. Before we do this integration, we have the formula in here. That's about the integral of s to the power of n dx. We have s to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, and we put about c. So we apply this formula for this one. So we will have about s to the power of 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 1. Similar, s to the power of 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1. About numbers in here, we will have about s, and we put about the bounds from number 1 to number 2. So this one we have number 3, number 3, number 2, number 2. 2 divided by 2, we have s squared. And now we can get the final answer. So we put number 2 in here. Number 1 in here. And now we can get the final answer. And we have about 37 over 3. This one, the square root of s plus 3, that's about s plus 3 to the power of 1 over 2. And now we just apply the formula from the reverse one. So we have s plus 3 to the power of 1 over 2 plus 1 over 1 over 2 plus 1. And we put the bounds from 0 to number 1. So we put number 1 and number 0 go in here. And now we can get the final answer. We have 16 over 3 minus number 3 to the power of 3 over 2 over 3 over 2. Question number 3, we have the formula in here. The integral of e to the power of as plus b ds. We have about e to the power of as plus b over a, and we have c. So we applied for this one. And then we have about negative number 5 e to the power of negative number 3s plus 4 over negative number 3. And we put the bounds from 0 to number 1. And now we can get the final answer. Because we have the bottom negative with negative, we have positive. Now we put number in here. We simplify. And this is the final answer. Now let's go to the last one. We need to use about integration by substitution. So we put about u equals to this one. So we do first the derivative for the both sides. We have 2x dx. Next, we need to change the bounds in here. If s equals to number 0, so we put number 0 in here, and we have u equals to number 4. If s equals to number 1, so we put number 1 in here, and we have u equals to number 5. So this one we change for number 4. Number 1 we change for number 5. This one we change for u. 2s ds we change for du. The integral of this one, we have u to the power of 4 over 4, and we have the bounds from number 4 to number 5. And now we can get the final answer. We have 369 over 4. This is the end. Thank you for watching.